Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we're going over our cakes 101, everybody, how you can get a perfect cake. Now, the thing is you cream your eggs and your butter all together. Make it creamy. Then you go ahead and you add in your flavoring, which is your vanilla. It has to be 100% pure vanilla, nothing else. Exactly. None of the imitation stuff. I'm telling you, this makes a big difference. Pure vanilla. Then we add our flour in a little bit at a time, which is like about a half a cup per every 10-15 seconds, or let it do its thing, let it incorporate. Then we add some more until it's all done. Now it's about the cake personality pan that you choose. Now you can get all these kind of designs that come out with this kind of cake. This is so perfect. We did that for Christmas, and then we also had this one for Thanksgiving, but it's like a swirly pan, and so it's kind of hard to kind of cut it, but we kind of figured it out. But anyway, yeah, it was fun. But yes, we go ahead and make sure your batter is ribbon-like. Look at that. It has to be silky, smooth, and it's like a ribbon as it pour out. And that's when you know you have a good cake, everybody. And then you pat it down into a nice greased flour type of pan, so it won't be sticking. But then we go ahead and make sure that's perfect, and then we let it cook for an hour and 10 minutes. Most pound cakes take about that long. Oh, it smells so good. Yes. And people at the church won't talk about you. And then so you go ahead and make sure it cools off for like a good 30 to 45 minutes. Then you go ahead and flip it over. Make sure you tap your pan really good. Make sure it doesn't stick. This is a non-stick Wilton pan, and we're not being promoted by Wilton, but that's how we do it here. Now look at that. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? That's the most perfect cake. Nobody will talk about you at the church. Look at that buttery flavor just going all through that cake there. Ooh, that looks so good. We also have our book available on Amazon.com. Just